I cannot believe it that I'm back to you this soon, but I must admit, you have been my biggest inspiration and motivation recently. Thank you for that. Thank you for being here, watching my videos, leaving the comments, sharing them on your social media and telling your friends about it, about Maremi. Who's Maremi? Here is me, if you're new to this channel, and I do believe plenty of you are super fresh and new that watch my videos. Thank you so much for being here and welcome. Welcome. You may love me, you may really dislike me. It depends whether you like the chatty videos, whether you like the way as I teach and my approach to art. I would love you to believe in yourself, that you can actually sit at the desk in front of a white page, blank page, the scary one, and just do what I'm doing right now. Just dabbing paint, water, and really, honestly, I'll be super honest now. And if you're new to my channel, you will learn that I'm just very much saying from my heart. I am not sure what I'm doing right now on this page, and this is totally Marta. This is totally me. I'm just having fun, letting go. I'm experimenting, and in front of everyone, I'm just trying my best, and I'm not giving up. And I would love you to try that. Just because a piece of art halfway down or at the beginning of it doesn't look its best, maybe you have no faith in it, that's okay. It may happen, but don't give up. Just keep going. I've been keep going on this page for so long. You will see it, stages of it, adding different colors, adding more water, less water, cleaning with some baby wipes, tissues and all, just to really try and experiment and have fun. And I would love you to trust me in this process, because the actual journey and the process is the main thing. You don't have to be professional to make art. You don't have to have the best art supplies to create fantastic projects. The most important part is to clear your head, to appear at your desk, to actually give yourself a permission that you can make something out of nothing nearly, because really a paper and few colors, that's like really minimum amounts of supplies, and there is no rocket science in this process. You will see it for yourself. It's really dabbing, but it was so much fun and so refreshing as well. Staining my page, that was the idea. I've done staining pages a couple years back. Oh, I loved it, and totally surprised was I seeing that this video was actually very much loved by you. So my friend Rain have said to me, Marta, you didn't do stain, watercolor and doodles for ages. I was like, that's so true. And when I thought about it, I was like, I'm still in the autumn mood. So here I am, doodling on the stain watercolor surface. As you can tell, sky is the limit. There's no rules in this page. I am just following the lines really and kind of pretending I know what I'm doing, but I'm not. And that's okay. That's okay. You don't have to always know what to do next. And it's not something I'm always comfortable with. Sometimes, I should say a lot of times, I have no clue what I'm doing, and that's okay too. I'm accepting the fact that it's a process and it's a learning curve, and it's great that we have this chance. After a recent video, the other tree video, the trees that we have painted and doodled, so many of you have watched it and loved it so much. Thank you for tons of love left under that video. You just actually motivate me to create this page tonight, because honestly your connection with this video, the fact that so many of you have made these pages, these doodled silly doodles, silly trees, I thought, wow, maybe this is exactly what we all need. Something super simple, achievable, doable, without really tons of supplies, just something that everyone may find at home. Because if you don't have watercolors that I use, I'm pretty sure you have some sort of paints that you can just substitute and dilute with water, and that's okay. And I have just simple crayons. Let's just have a look at the edited video. I'm having so much fun recently on the approach towards the videos itself. I really love the editing part of it. I'm actually so tempted to go to school how to make videos, like really study being a director of video making. I would love that. It's never too late, right? It's actually quite interesting that I'm talking to you about silly stuff, life, clearing your head, because it's so important. The process of art is important to just clear our mind. I would love you to not forget about self-care these days, especially. And I've mentioned this last time, and I'm mentioning this again. The process of this sort, when there's no rules, no limitation, there's no such a thing as how things supposed to be done. You can just be yourself and do stuff just like that. And it's funny that I'm not talking about the whole process, because I think it's pretty straightforward. Look, get some paints, find some shapes, see if you can actually see some kind of trees, or aim towards them while making the stains. Grab the color palette that it's autumnish, which is orange, yellow, red, green, brown, and there you go. Is that simple, honestly. I would love you to try it. Please promise me that you will pause this video at some point, save it for later, and come back to it. I'll be back to watercolors. I can only tell you, little secret, I've done 2 videos, Christmas watercolor cards that you loved so much the last years, and you've asked me this year, we're waiting, hello, knock knock, we're waiting for watercolor Christmas cards. There will be 2 videos coming, 10 cards each. So I hope you will love that, and I cannot wait to share. But I'm still in the autumn mood, and I thought, you know what, more trees, we need more beautiful trees. And when Hannah saw this page, she really loved it, and she said, Mommy, it's forest. And I'm like, yeah, it is. If a 4-year-old can see the forest, that means it's okay, I did it again. And splashes, of course, not white this time, color of the autumn. My beautiful friends, I'm gonna wrap up at that very soon. I hope you really will take this lesson as part of something important in your everyday. Please do some art for your mind, for your soul. It's super special time for yourself. Find joy in the journey. Don't focus on the final piece, just focus on the process. I love you, but I have to go, unfortunately, but I'll be back sooner than you think. Thank you.